Want to create this stunning Peacock Mandala digitally? Stay with me for the next 4 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how step by step. Intro and channel welcome. Hey everyone, welcome back to Itee Art. I'm so excited to share this Peacock Mandala tutorial with you today. Whether you're a complete beginner or already love digital art, this design is totally achievable. Let's jump right in. REQRMENTS section. Here's what you'll need. Any drawing tablet or iPad. A stylus, your favorite digital art app. And most importantly, the symmetry tool activated. That's the secret to perfect mandalas. Segment 1, Outline Intro. First up, the basic structure. I'm starting with a simple circle in the center for the peacock's body. Now watch as I draw one feather shape extending outward. The symmetry tool automatically duplicates it 6 times. That's the magic of digital art. Segment 2, Adding Details, Part 1. Now for the fun part, adding those intricate details. I'm drawing the iconic peacock eye pattern at each feather tip. See how one stroke creates 6 perfect eyes. Next, I'm filling in smaller feathers between the main ones. Don't worry about perfection, mandalas are super forgiving. Segment 2, Adding Details, Part 2. For the center, I'm adding circular patterns radiating outward like ripples in water. Tiny dots, lines and curves, each layer adds more depth and draws the eye inward. This is where your mandala really comes alive. Segment 3, Coloring Intro. Time to bring this peacock to life with color. I'm creating a new layer under my outline so the lines stay crisp. Starting with a base layer of color, building it up gradually with a soft brush. Color palette reveal. Here's my classic peacock palette. Turquoise blue for the base, deep purple for shadows, bright pink for those feather eyes, and gold accents for that royal touch. I'm using low opacity and layering colors for smooth gradients. That's the key to professional looking digital art. Final color TOCHES. Adding highlights now. A touch of white and light cyan on the feather tips makes them really pop off the screen. Look at how those colors blend together. The airbrush tool is perfect for this smooth, glowing effect. Final showcase, Part 1. And here's our finished peacock mandala. Look at those vibrant colors and intricate details. The symmetry tool did half the work, but the color choices and layering, that's what makes it special. You can zoom in and see every little detail we added. Final showcase, Part 2. The best part about digital art. You can export this as high resolution for prints. Use it as phone wallpaper, create greeting cards, or even sell it as digital downloads. The possibilities are endless. Call to action and close. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe to Itee Art for more digital mandala magic. Drop a comment telling me what design you want to see next. Maybe a butterfly mandala or a lotus. Your suggestions inspire my next creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!
Thank you.